Hello. This morning when I was in town, I popped into a charity shop and I saw some butter knives for £1, and I thought, oh, I could probably make a pick out of them. And here we are, 3 hours later. First of all, snip the top off. And then with my bastard file and Dremel, whooped it down a bit. Just about to see if it's going to work. I've got two Masterlock 140s. I ain't got the keys to either of these, so let's give it a go. I didn't draw it out or nothing. I just by eye, and I put in like a little monkey's fist or paw, whatever you want to call it, in it. There's one. Get the pins. 1, 2. There's the other one. But yeah, took about 3 hours. I'm not sure if this does any justice. It is quite thin near the tip. But for the first attempt, I don't think it's too bad. Let me know what you lot think. Thank you.